Team up! Arman! Ajo! Hold.
Space here. We'll start an attack. Ball on the left hand side. We've gotten a shove there. It should be a foul, and it is. Bit of a delay, but we're ready for the free kick to be taken. Ball whipped into the box. Goalkeeper comes out to claim. Bobbles out of his hand. Still not cleared. Now RPS can clear the ball away. Matong feeds it onto the right hand side. Good composure shown there by Ricky Mavlong. And just moves to the gears and then onto the right hand side. Can whip the ball in on his left foot. It's cleared away by RPS, and now they can launch an attack of their own. Surrender possession. Throw in for RPS. Feed the ball into the box. It's a free header, and it's 1-0 to ARPS. Look at the celebrations there. It's a pinpoint corner. Free header. They're very jubilant there, ARPS. Wonderful corner. On the money there. Goalkeeper, no man's land. Completely misses that. Free header. Good jump. And he guides it into an empty net. And ARPS take the lead in the 7th minute. Attacking the ball as well. So Little Star need to be switched on during these corner routines. We have a couple of players as blockers rather than just man markers. Try and stop them from getting clean jumps. Again, nice footwork. Just keep away from the challenge. It's just a throw in for Little Star. The Star have now Little Star. Very little time here to find an equalizer. Again, ball put in. It's very well defended. Ajay losing out. Again, he goes for the strike. Goalkeeper really well to claim it. Going out for a goal kick, but still blows here in the under 15 boys game. It is Little Star Secondary School 0, Assam Rifles Public School 1.